In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the flashlight torch on your OPPO A3 with an easy step-by-step guide. Whether you need some extra light or just want to know how it works, this will help you get it done fast. First, unlock your OPPO A3 and go to the home screen. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Look for the flashlight or torch icon. Usually it looks like a small flashlight. Tap the flashlight icon once to turn the torch on. To turn it off, simply tap the icon again. If you don't see the flashlight icon in the notification panel, swipe down again to open the full Quick Settings menu. You can also access the flashlight by pressing the power button twice quickly if your OPPO A3 supports this shortcut. Another way is to use Google Assistant by saying, "Hey Google, turn on the flashlight." That's it! Now you know how to turn on the flashlight torch on your OPPO A3 easily whenever you need it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more simple phone tutorials.